Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Easy Talks English.
Hello, everyone. We're happy you're here with us today.
This podcast is for English learners. We speak slowly and clearly.
Yes, you can relax, listen, and enjoy the conversation.
Today, we want to talk about something very important.
Something we all need in life
We are talking about friends and social life.
about spending time with friends and feeling connected to people.
Yes, spending time with friends is a very important part of life. It gives meaning to our days and helps us feel less alone in the world.
I agree. Friends help us feel connected to the world and to other people, especially when life feels difficult or confusing.
And they make our days brighter and lighter, even on stressful or emotional days.
Yes, life feels easier and warmer when you have good friends around you.
Let's start with a simple question. What does friendship mean to you?
For me, friendship means support. It means having someone who listens and understands me, even when I don't say much or don't know what to say.
That's very nice. For me, friendship means feeling comfortable and safe with someone without fear or pressure.
Comfortable is a very good word.
Yes, with good friends, you can be yourself, relax, and feel accepted for who you are.
You don't need to pretend or explain everything all the time. You can just be quiet sometimes.
That feeling is very important, especially in difficult times or stressful moments in life. How often do you see your friends?
Not every day, but often. Maybe once or twice a week, sometimes more when life is calm and not too busy.
Same here. It really depends on work, family, and daily responsibilities.
Yes, adult life can be very busy and sometimes stressful.
Sometimes it's hard to find time for social life.
That's true, but I try to make time, even if it's just a short meeting, a walk, or a coffee together.
I think even short moments can be meaningful and important. What do you usually do when you meet your friends?
We usually talk a lot about life, work, feelings, plans, and everyday things.
Talking is very important in friendships.
Yes, talking helps us understand each other better and feel closer.
Sometimes talking is more important than doing activities together.
I agree. Sometimes we also go for a walk together or sit somewhere quiet.
I like walking with friends. It feels relaxed, natural, and peaceful.
Me too. Walking and talking feels easy and calm, and time passes very quickly.
Do you like meeting friends at home or outside?
Both. Meeting at home feels cozy, warm, and safe.
Yes, cozy is the right word. Home feels comfortable and private.
Outside is also nice. Cafes, parks, or small restaurants.
I like cafes. You can sit, drink something warm, relax, and talk for hours without stress.
Cafes feel social but not too loud, which is nice.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do.
How long have you been friends?
For many years, since school,
That's beautiful. Long friendships are very special.
yes, they grow with you and change over time, just like people do.
Shared memories make them strong and meaningful. Do you think it's easy to make new friends?
Not always. As adults, it can be difficult.
I agree. People are busy and sometimes shy.
Yes, and sometimes people are afraid to open up and trust others.
That's very true, and it makes friendships slower to build.
Patience is important when meeting new people.
How do you usually make new friends?
Through work or shared activities,
That makes sense.
sports, classes, hobbies, or social events.
Hobbies are a great way to meet people with similar interests.
Yes, shared interests help people connect more easily and feel comfortable.
Do you talk to your friends every day?
Not every day, but often.
Same here. Messages or short calls during the day.
Technology helps with that a lot.
Yes, staying in touch is much easier now than before.
Even short messages help us feel close and remembered.
Do you prefer texting or calling?
Texting is easier and faster for me.
I agree, but calls feel more personal and warm,
Yes, hearing a voice feels closer and more real.
especially when you miss someone or feel lonely. What do you like most about spending time with friends?
Feeling understood and accepted,
That's very important for emotional health.
and laughing together.
Yes, laughter makes everything lighter and happier.
Laughing together creates strong memories that stay with us.
Do you and your friends talk about problems?
Sometimes, yes.
I think that's healthy and helpful.
Yes, sharing problems makes them feel smaller.
And you don't feel alone with your thoughts.
Support from friends is very important in hard times.
Do you think social life is important for mental health?
Yes, very important.
I agree. Being alone too much can feel heavy,
Friends give support, comfort, and understanding.
and they help us feel stronger and more positive inside. Do you like group meetings or one on one meetings?
Both, but one on one meetings feel deeper.
I feel the same. You can talk more openly and honestly.
Group meetings are fun, but personal talks feel closer.
How do you feel after spending time with friends?
Usually happier, calmer, and more relaxed.
Me too. I feel more energy, positivity, and motivation.
Good friends give energy instead of taking it.
Do you think friendships change over time?
Yes, they do.
Some get stronger, some get weaker.
That's normal.
Life changes and people change too.
And friendships change with life.
What makes a good friend for you?
Honesty,
Trust,
listening,
respect.
and kindness.
Kindness makes friendships last longer and feel safer. Do you make time for friends on busy days?
I try to.
Even a short message or call helps.
Yes, small things really matter.
They show that you care and remember people. Do you enjoy social events?
Sometimes it depends on my mood and energy.
Me too. I usually prefer small groups.
Small groups feel more comfortable and relaxed.
How do you usually spend weekends with friends?
Coffee, walks, dinner, or just talking together.
Simple things.
Yes, simple is good.
Simple moments often become the best memories. Do you think friendships need effort?
Yes, they do.
I agree. You need to care and show interest
And listen with attention.
and be there when it matters. What advice would you give about friendships?
Be kind and patient.
Be honest
And be present when you are with people.
and don't forget to make time even when life is busy. So, friends and social life are very important.
Yes. They make life warmer and happier.
They help us feel connected and understood.
and supported in difficult times.
Good friendships make life feel fuller and more meaningful. Thank you for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
Take care and enjoy time with your friends.
See you next time.